Hi, and welcome to JobPro's tutorial video on how to create a template from a bid. Templates are often used when you find yourself entering in the same square footages and items over and over again. In JobPro, creating a template allows you to get more bids out at a higher rate. This video is going to explain how to get the templates ready for use from a bid that you've sent out in the past. First, we'll go to a bid. You can add items to the base bid. You can use groups or options to create your bid. You can add square footages. You can add bid adjustments. You can add material and labor costs to any of the items. We have a bid that's already set up that we'd like to create and use as a template. First, you'll need to go to the Bid Information tab and select Create Template. We can name our template whatever we'd like. We can also make the availability for any office that we have set up in our system. We can change the category and even give it a description if necessary. The options box on the lower left-hand corner allows you to add this as a starter template. A starter template is something that you can use when you are first adding your bid. The Use on Quick Job slider allows you to use this job when entering in a quick job. To look at our template, click the Template tab. Here we see that the options and the groups are the exact same from the bid that we created this template from. If we need to make changes, we can do that. If you'd like to change the quantities, the cost, you can do that as well. You can even add bid notes. Using a template does not mean that you have to actually use the items each time. If you select to use this template, you can still edit the bid when you send that out in the future. If you have any questions on how to use templates, simply give us a call at 5 If you have any questions on how to use templates, simply give us a call at 704-584-4019 or send an email to support@jobprotech.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorial videos in the future.